Hi, my name's Stefan. Today I'm going to be speaking on how to make a box and whiskers plot for middle school. Now let's say you're given a set of data, 2, 2, 3. You're given these numbers. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to break the numbers in half, like so. And then what you want to do is you want to break the numbers in half again. Okay, now that you have the numbers broken in half, you want to make a box from the two center points. And then make a line to your two endpoints. Make a line here. And then you have your line in the center. Boom, and there you have it, a box and whiskers plot.